Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to move a group of cells from one location to another without replacing other cells. So make sure you stick around till the end and get to learn this new tip. So I want us to move this group of cells in February from this location to another, maybe between April and May 2022. So I'll put a different cell color so you can get to see uh, uh, the result. So what you need to do is to select the group of cells that you want to move, and then move your cursor to one of the borders, either on the right side, the left, upper, or the lower side, depending on the direction that you want to move your group of cells. So I want us to move them to the right, so we shall put our cursor here, and once you achieve a 4 arrows pointer, as you can see, press the shift key on your keyboard and the leftmost button at a go, and then drag to the right. So as we drag, you can see there's a thick border that tells you the location where you're at. So once you reach the destination, release the shift key and the leftmost button at a go. There you go. You can see we have inserted our group of cells here without replacing. We still have April here and May here. So again, if you want to move a group of cells in the middle, maybe somewhere like here, we can just put a different cell color so you can get to see the difference. You follow the same steps. After selecting, press the shift key and the left mouse button, and then drag to the location where you want to move them. So once you're there, release the shift key and the left mouse button at a go. There you go. So you can see we have moved our group of cells, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.